To use your phone camera in Tella, you have to download a specific application to your mobile devices and to your desktop. In this case, I will download DroidCam for PC. You also need to download it to your phone and then click DroidCam client. Wait to download the application. And as you can see, I already downloaded it. Once you're done downloading it and setting it up, open the Android client app and you will see here the device IP address. To find the IP address, open the DroidCam to your mobile device and you will see there the device IP. Then, when you check the device IP in your phone, just copy it to your desktop. And also, the device port of your desktop and your device port of your mobile should be the same. After that, allow all the permissions and then set it up. In this case, I'm showing my desktop camera for now. And then I will going to switch it to DroidCam camera, which is connected to my mobile phone. But to do it, you need to start the DroidCam to connect it to your mobile device. Once you click the start, the DroidCam to your phone will automatically open the camera. And as you can see here, the camera I'm using on my DroidCam is my phone. And now to connect it to Tella, click the camera icon, then choose a camera you want to use. In this case, I'm using DroidCam. And that's it. You've successfully connected your phone camera to Tella. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.